myself Gaurav Vyas. I am the head IT at Jackson Vision. Jackson Vision is the machine equipment manufacturer for the pharmaceutical and agri. So we are into the serialization and track and trace, which is including with the inspection systems. So I'm adding all the IT infra for the Jackson Group. So we have a Jackson Vision as a and Jackson Hydraulics. These are two companies. Yeah. So as far as the Jackson is a concern, I am adding as a IT for the entire group of Jackson. So we are mainly for the all IT infrastructure where we have a equipment manufacturer as well as the internal IT. We have a software division where our software team is working for the development of software for the pharmaceuticals equipment, and we are making the machines where it is for used for the inspection systems. So, as IT is concerned, we are supporting all to them by manufacturing of the product, which is totally IT based product. All the softwares we are manufacturing. So our team is doing installation of the product also plus support to them, and as well as the customer support at the site also. So we are into the development as well as into the machine manufacturing and customer support also. So all three functions we are taking care as an IT. So as a Jackson is we are into the equipment manufacture where our major work is for the inspection system. So as far as the inspection system, we are using the latest technologies like AI, vision inspections, and also ML and the DL also we are using. So there are so latest technology we are using. We are into the track and trace support model also where we integrate with the SAP systems of the customers. So whatever the inventory they are getting, we are into the our system will support them to integrate with their production. And other than this, we are as Jackson, we are into the internally. We have developed our own systems where we are using the latest technologies like CRM plus as well as the other softwares. Salesforce is a concern. Salesforce also is there for our sales team. Service team, we are using the Dynamics as a CRM. So different tools we are using for different and where the concern is work from home. So after lockdown, we come into the latest development. Earlier we were not really 100% working from home, but now after lockdown we could manage with this lockdown or work from home, and now almost till Diwali or now still some people are still on the work from home. So it is very well accepted by us as a tool. So we are working from work from home and without even a maintenance. So technologies CRM we are using. Earlier we were having very dependencies of the. I focused in some two things. First is for the software development. We have moved from we have a Jira as a ticketing tool for maintaining the software life cycle. So we have we developed that to with Jira. And for the software, the services we have moved to CRM for like Dynamics we have used as a CRM. So all the service team which we are working from home, but not only from working home, working from anywhere, we are ready as a technology because we are the technology solution provider for our customers. We have taken the initiatives. Now our service is more earlier it was totally based on the physical availability of the engineers was after lockdown. We have initiated some new technologies, and now we are moving from physical to work from anywhere kind of model. So people are working from anywhere. We are having we have developed some remote technologies. So people, the engineers will be able to solve their issues from remotely also. So we are developing our AI-based applications for the pharmaceutical, especially for tablet inspection and the blister inspection. So that is the MLDL we are also we will be using. So very soon it will be a totally automatic process will come. So now any integration is required where the users and operator to be in, doing some settings, and then that will be it will be very soon it will be very automatically. So we have taken this an initiative and our system has already been developed with the latest technology like AI and DL, and so very soon we will be able to give you the best product to our customers based on the AI. So digitization is a concern. We are into the Customers for development, yes, we have developed lots of technical advantages for our customer to work from their location and some of the latest initiative with the regulations. So, and again, this we have developed some new policies and procedures for our service team to work from anywhere. So our development and our service teams, they are able to work. Manufacturing is some concern. Still, we are not 100% as a digitalized where we will be saying that we can be working from anywhere because as far as the manufacturing concern, there are lots of limitations still is there. So there are the physical presence is very required for a particular person to come there and do some their work. But rest other things, we our IT, our finance and accounts, and our other development teams, they all are being mostly digitalized and they will be able to work from anywhere. Yes, there are some limitations still with the manufacturing. So also there will be some more thing will come and in future we will be more digitalized and we will be having some good solution will come. A pandemic, so because actually we are mostly into the software development. So our testing, yes, our assembling is a physical presence is required, but where the testing and the quality is concerned, it is totally software based. So it is very easy for us to do work from anywhere, even for people who are working from somewhere maybe around the globe, and they will be able to test the products and they will be able to give the. We have three, four kind of testing cycles to release the product. Before releasing, we have internal QA, internal testing, and the UAT team also. So these different layers will ensure is to give the best product to customers. So our testing is a concern. So after pandemic also, we were not in position where we had some challenges, but yes, we will be having a good team and we could manage it very good. But didn't find any challenges as far as the lockdown was a concern or pandemic was a concern. So testing and quality is a concern. We will be able to manage it very good, and we could achieve everything. So the lockdown was not a big impact for us. Main pillars is the development, is the IT security, our software. So these are the and our software is a very IP for us because we are the unique software manufacturer among the of course the competitors. So if we consider ourselves, we are the best. Obviously, we are the world of 10 companies in the equipment manufacturing for the pharmaceutical, and we have our presence across the globe. So our software is a very key point. Our because we have totally digitalized all the functions. We have our accounts and finances digitalized. Our production is totally digitalized. Our sales services. So all the organization, if we consider it is totally digitalized, and we have all the unique tools to develop to monitor them. So we can have a one click update from all the entire organization where we will be having all the information with. So it's a totally digitalized organization, we can say. So as far as the cost saving is a concern, the pandemic has given us an opportunity to grow our BCP plan. So earlier, IT leaders were having some static kind of working, simple nature of the job. So this has given an opportunity for us to find out how fast, how better, and with the minimum infrastructure costing, we can say produce. So major our cost was the traveling. Traveling was the biggest cost for any organization, mainly for the service organization. So our engineers mostly were traveling across the globe every time, and our sales team was also been traveling. So it has become reduced by 90% almost. I can say now. So we have started very few traveling. It's only ways and when is actually physical presence is required. Then only the traveling is concerned. So we are using the latest technologies like Zoom, and we have a service support team. So they are supporting through remote. So we have almost control over traveling. So this is the biggest advantage of the technologies where after adoption of the technology, it has been reduced by very lot. So that has given an advantage after lockdowns. We can control over the costing also. Also, there we are looking for any other things how we can reduce the other costs like manufacturing cost. Still, this is a challenge for us to, and there will be a future target for all such kind of IT leaders to how they can help to their manufacturing to control their costs. So IT has to be actually earlier the thinking was that the manufacturing as far as the manufacturing the IT was a cost center. So everybody was having a mindset that the IT leader will come for the budget and approvals and they will be expense. They will like a liabilities for the organization. But now the mindset has changed. Everybody is thinking that by the digitalization, latest technologies, and by using the tools, the latest tools, we will be able to achieve the low cost productivity with the perfection also. So now the management and the finance also CFS are also being interested to going for the digitalization. So I feel the agile, so integration between the IT and the management is now more been it become more interactive, and the management is also interested to taking the initiatives for the IIT digitalization, and this is very much required because it will help organization to grow more and the perfection of the data as well, because then data security is also biggest challenge nowadays. Because of this, after this COVID situation, we found many organizations have been uh, victim because data cyber attacks and such kind of things. So it is now become very important for organizations also to sync with the IT technologies, and latest technology adoption will always be helpful for the organization with the latest technology and the initiative. So IT should not be the cost center, but the IT is the profit contributor. This is the second word which I would like to say. IT is not a cost center, but is a profit contributor. So where the IT initiatives will be there, CIOs are will be responsible to contribute their organization to make the profitability. Yes, they will not do directly any production job or any another thing, but they will give you many ideas where we can increase our profitability. Yes. So it is not a single person who can change. Change is a, teamwork. And as far as the digitalization change or new changes in the IT, it's a very toughest job for other department to convince, because they have some traditional approach and they don't want to change. They don't want to accept the change because they may have sometimes what will happen. They may have to work more, or maybe they need to do some double work. Maybe so they are not ready and they are not comfortable. Even if we were happy with this kind of things earlier, we were doing like that, and now this is something like different. So it is something, it is not very easy to make them acceptable, but by the change, by the learning, yes, Jackson is a concern. We are very much happy that we have a all young team. People are very much happy to accept the change as far as the technology is concerned. So I don't find the biggest challenge for us. We have adapted lots of things. We have changed as a taken initiative. So people were not happily at that time, but by the time they have accepted everything, and now we are very much technological company. We can say we have a total digitalized company. So everything is being accepted. Yes, initially we have it. Yes, when a customer is a concern, so customer should be then customer is not have a problem, but they only need to have a sync with our information. So they should get all the information at the same time. So and that technology what we are adopting, it should not be the complicated. It should be the easy one for everyone, even the customer or user, because they also should understand everything. So whatever we are speaking with them, they should be able to understand in a one way. So internal stakeholder management is a concern. We should think first the requirement. So it should be our business requirement. If it is a business requirement, definitely people will support, management will support. First, we need to understand how we can contribute our business. So by adopting any technology or any policies or anything, what we are doing changes in the organization from the IT perspective. So then it should be synced with the business need. So if it is a business need, then automatically people will support you. If you are sometimes we are enabling the security features, so if the user will say, yeah, my previous organization we were having this kind of feature, but we here it is not available. Maybe earlier we are adopting some security rules, so earlier we had some policies, but now we don't have. So it is not like that you are being restricted to use something which is not your right, but it is in favor of organization's health. So we need to communicate, we need to have some training, we need to have some interaction sessions. So individual communication or if the thinking will give you more strongness to understand the people. Understand they may have some challenges because sometimes you may restrict some users to so you access some things. So they may be having some challenges, but we need to give some alternative. It should not be the showstopper. Earlier, we have adopted some technologies today, and we have chosen policies. In next day, they are not able to do their routine work. So we should not stop them, but we should provide them some alternatives. So how they can have our IT system has been secured and strong. without interruption in their routine work. So communication is the biggest key for and training. We should train our employees. At the current moment, it is a very tough situation for all the manufacturing because manufacturing cannot be done 100% from work from home or work from anywhere. Yes, it is a software. Yes, the finance, accounts, even IT can manage with the work from home situation. But manufacturing, because we are manufacturing where we need manpower to be available. There are strict some limitations. So we as an organization for the manufacturing is concerned, it will be very difficult for them to manage work from home. Because we have lots of dependency. Manufacturing is a manpower space. Yes, we can adopt data digitalization, but it will not be 100% as of now. We can move from work from anywhere kind of situation. So we have to accept this challenge for some times where we can get some better idea or better thing to get the manufacturing into the current scenario. Later on, we hope that there will something will come where we can work from anywhere and we can align our manufacturing into the situation. But as of now, we don't have such kind of readily available solution where we can plan our work from home.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.